under the patronage of His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan bin Mubarak Al Nahyan, Minister of Tolerance and Coexistence, Emirates Scholar Center for Research and Studies, in partnership with the Ministry of Tolerance and Coexistence, and with the support of the Abu Dhabi Convention and Exhibition Bureau, presents the second edition of the International Dialogue of Civilizations and Tolerance Conference. From February 20th to 22nd, 2025, at the Abu Dhabi Energy Center. This global event brings together over 100 prominent speakers, 5,000 participants from government, religious, academic, and youth sectors, representing more than 70 countries worldwide. The program also features more than 10 international musical and cultural performances and showcases 200 research and scientific papers, presenting the latest ideas and practices in dialogue and tolerance. Join us and be part of the dialogue that shapes a future where civilizations thrive together.